Let's start again. That's your new implant.
Right. Your right one is your new one. I get all mixed up. I haven't seen you in so long. Okay, you're going to listen. Okay, and you're going to tell me what you hear, and then I'm going to give you money, but you have to wait. You ready? Sh. E. U. E. Nice job. How many should I give you? How many do you want? How many?
How many?
Good listening. How many coins do you want?
Money.
It is money. How many pieces do you want?
Money. Please.
Yeah. How many pieces do you want?
Pieces. Money, please.
I'm going to give you pieces of money, but I don't know if you want one piece or if you want 5 pieces.
5 pieces.
No, 5's too many. Maybe you could have 2, 1 or 2, maybe 3. 3? Okay, hold out your hand. That's very impressive with his new implant only. He's getting...
He's good, It's good,
Oh,
Watch
nice
him. I think
stuff.
he's like, it's like almost automatic, the new implant,
Yeah, you have to let go, let go. I'm going to do a quick screening.
Look at that silly robot. His tongue comes out. And he eats the money.
He's going to sleep. Look. Benji. He's going to sleep. He's sleeping.
Okay, I'm up.
Listen, he's sleeping. What's he doing? He's sleeping. Can you tell him? Wake up!
Wake up!
That was to do loud and quiet and whisper.
You can whisper now, can you, Sylvia?
Oh, one more. Is he going to sleep?
Sleep.
He's going to snore. He's going to go. Ah! He's going to snore. He's going to go. Ah! You do it. Now tell me. Ah! Ah! Really low. Ah! Very nice. Put it on. Right there.
He's hungry, that robot.
Okay, so I'm going through his non-segmentals. We've already checked some vowels through the 6 sounds. Now I'm going to do consonants by manner. You ready? Tell me ba 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 ba. Thank you. Tell me pa 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 pa. Nice job. Ma 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 ma. Wa 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 wa. Tell me again. What was that? Wa wa wa. Very nice listening, Benji. Really proud of you. Ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, listen. Tell me sha sha sha.
Sha sha sha.
Very nice. Tell me cha cha cha.
Cha cha cha.
Very nice. Tell me la la la.
La la la.
Listen again. La la la.
La la la.
La la la.
La la la.
Thank you. Ra ra ra.
La la la.
Wa wa wa.
La la la.
Wa wa wa.
La la.
Okay, those are laterals that are a little tough. Those are difficult ones. So he gives me a W, L. So we've got W, R, L confused. We've got all of our manners. He knows what it is. It's the place that he's getting confused. Ready? Tell me s. Now tell me zzz. Very nice. You listening, ma ma ma?
Mama.
Na na na.
Na na na.
Ung ung ung.
Un.
Lovely, lovely.
He's doing very well on
Very quickly. I mean, how long has he had this?
2 months.
Wow, lovely. Nice mapping, nice to scrim, really all around. This one's big.
Big.
It is. Listen, tell me ba ba ba.
Ba ba ba.
Look over here. Da da da.
Da da da.
Ga ga ga.
Ga ga ga.
Nice job. Tell me ta ta ta.
Ta ta ta.
Ka ka ka.
Ta ka ka.
Yeah, look over here.
Look at me.
Pa pa pa.
Ka ka ka.
Look
Listen.
over there and listen. You ready? Don't look at me. Pa pa pa.
Ka ka ka.
Ka ka ka.
Ka ka ka.
Ta ta ta.
Ta ta ta.
Pa pa pa.
Pa pa pa.
Ka ka ka.
Pa pa ka.
That one needs work.
Kakaka.
He's got the discrimination.
Panka.
Well, all three of them, just to
Okay.
contrast them. He does the place cue for the voice, the B, D's, and G's gorgeous.